Welcome back. Welcome back. Come on in, subbies, and come on in, newbies. And just in case you don't know what a newbie is, honey, a newbie be anybody checking me out, maybe for the first time, maybe for the fifth or the sixth, maybe just in time for the holiday season. So now that I've broken that down for you, I want all of my subbies and I want all of my holiday newbies to grab hands and come on in, come on in, come on in. Okay, so for today's going to be a little quickie. I just wanted to come in here and just give some thanks. That's what I'm about to do. I wanted to thank you all for another great year. I know I say this every year, but I really can't believe that the year is pretty much over. It really is. Christmas will be days away and everyone will be getting ready for the new year. So now is the time that I usually just come in here and I just check in on all of you and yeah, give thanks. I want to thank you guys for a wonderful 2022. We've seen a lot of things, we've been through a lot of things, and we have accomplished a lot as a collective. And I'm very happy with the progress. I'm very happy with all that has transpired, both the good and the not so good, because it got us to where we are now. I want to thank y'all for tuning in. I want to thank y'all for your comments and your suggestions and encouragement. You know, this was a big year as far as reaching goals, and you guys have been cheering me and others along the way. So I just want to thank you guys for that because it has been noticed. And yeah, I'm looking forward to 2023, like most of you guys. Looking forward to a new year, and along with a new year, probably comes with some new things, okay? Some new things to look forward to see and do. You know, the rhymes will never stop around here, okay? We will always have bars up in this piece. But I am looking to do more and some different things. We already know that. So 2023 is going to bring about some change, some good changes over here. And I'm hoping that 2023 is a bountiful and prosperous year for all of you. Now, I'm not just talking about your hair, I'm talking about your whole life. That's what we're talking about. From the rooter to the tutor, from the top to the bottom, from the crown of your head to the soles of your feet. You get my drift. So that's what I'm talking about, all around goodness. Now, I know there were some things on the hair to-do list, that I didn't exactly get to right away. I know there's some residual things, there's some leftover things on the list, and I haven't forgotten. I know that one of them was to do a roller set. Now, y'all know, if y'all are familiar, you're not brand new. And if you're not one of the holiday newbies up in here that has never, ever seen me talk about roller sets. I normally don't do roller sets, but I was going to do one, just do a video and see if I have improved in any way as far as that is concerned. And I was set to do that, but my dryer, I do have a dryer that you can sort of sit under, but I don't have access to it right now. So I was hoping to get it. I was not able to grab it. And then I thought about buying a new one. Then I said, but I have one already. You know what I mean? So that's one of the reasons why I haven't done the roller set yet. But all is not lost. We still got time, meaning it may not happen this year, but it may happen. Okay. And some of the other requests that I have gotten that I may not have gotten to, sometimes time gets away from you and you're trying to fit in other things, but just know that I still have the list. And it's not a lot left on it, but I did want to acknowledge those that have suggested things that I see you and I hear you, and it's on the list. Now, just as a side note, I don't know if you noticed, but my red is coming back. I am so happy about that my red is coming back. And again, for all those who are not initiated and all those who are just here for a looky-loo for the very first time, I dyed my hair. Well, I colored my hair not too long ago. I did a rinse, it's semi-permanent, and I used Clairol. I'll have that video down below. Anyway, the color that I used was on a cooler spectrum, and I'm more of a warm girl. You know, I got a lot of oranges and reds in my skin, as well as my hair. So, but I wanted to sort of tamp that down as far as my hair, as far as the red. And honey, I liked it at first. Then I kind of was trying to work with it. And then I said, I need warmth around me. I need warmth. My face needs to be framed with warmth. It's a better complement to my skin to have warmth or warmer tones in my hair. So my red is slowly coming back. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see that against my black shirt, which is why I wore it, just so you can see the contrast. But it is. And I'm a little excited about it. I don't know if you can tell, but I am. So we're ending the year on a good note with that as well. But overall, you know, this has been really good. This has been really good. This has been really fun. And I am looking forward, like I said, to this new year. I'm excited about the holidays and spending time with everybody. I am excited about, you know, just taking a little time off. Just taking a little time off from my job. As well as I might take a little reprieve here. I might take about a week, you know. So we'll see. But of course, I'll let you guys know in time, in advance. But, you know, just taking a little time just to re-energize and regroup and sort of step into, you know, what's to come. But that's enough about me as far as just my little to-dos and this and that. I want to know, what are you guys looking forward to for this new year? I know a lot of people like to do New Year's resolutions and make a little list for themselves and little goals. So, I mean, if you would like to share with the rest of us what you are looking forward to in 2023. Wow. And again, it does not have to be about hair. Maybe you are about to buy a house. Maybe you're about to move. But what do you guys have on your list? Or what are you looking forward to? Or what are you hoping to achieve? And it doesn't have to be a whole lot. It can be about anything at all. Whatever is on your mind, on your heart, please feel free to share below. So while we have that, and while we have people coming to the front, okay, of the congregation and about to give their testimony and their little to-dos, I just wanted to share with y'all that I got some new ornaments for the tree. I got me a little poinsettia. I know that's not how it's pronounced. It's poinsettia. Y'all just give me a little slack today, okay? I got a little poinsettia, and I thought this was really cute. And I got Ma and Pa Christmas, otherwise known as Mrs. Claus and Santa Claus, which is Mr. Claus. Aren't they the cutest things? I got these as ornaments, and I saw these. I said, ooh, I got to get these. So while we gather ourselves, because I told you this was not going to be too long, I just want to reiterate that I'm very thankful for you guys, as well as I want the best for you for this year. For your hair, your personal life, and everything that surrounds you. You are worthy of the best. Don't settle for less. And let's have it for 2023. I hope you have a wonderful and safe Christmas as well as New Year. Because we're a collective up in this piece. And we look out for each other. Because we got to. Because that's what it's all about. So, I'm not going to jibber jabber too much longer. I just wanted to jump in here. Well, not jump. But I wanted to come in here and sit down amongst all of you and just basically touch base before the start of 2023. So such is the tradition around here. At least that's what we did last year. I've been on here for about 2 years. But we're going to carry this on. We're going to send ourselves on out. And just for the occasion, we got Ma and Pa Christmas to help dance us on out. So with that, we are going to wrap this up, tie it up in a bow, and get up out of here. What do you think? I think we should, honey, and they do too. Right, Mrs. Claus? Right too. You heard the woman. It's time to get up out of here. So, with that being said, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out, okay? I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. Honey, you gotta come back for the more stuff. You gotta come back for that. So you already know it's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back. Cue the music.